Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 13. In Module 13, you're going to be reading chapters 13 and 14, and you're going to participate in the discussion board. Here are the PowerPoints for chapter 13 and 14. Here's your ancillary materials as well. Right here is the discussions. Let's click on this and let's review the question. Now, when you click on discussion board number 4 right here, it's going to take you right here. You're going to click on the question. You only can reply to the question. Here's the question for this week. What would be appropriate monetary policy for our economy to create economic stability? So given our economy right now, what do you think would be a good situation to create stability? Look at the tools that monetary policy has, either expansionary or contractionary policies, and which policies do you think would help create stability in the economy? Make sure to explain your reasoning as well, as that will be important. For this week, we're going to be looking at aggregate demand and aggregate supply, and that's going to be looking at total demand and total supply in our economy. We're also beginning to focus on the role of money and the role of the Fed. And you'll notice the Fed has a couple different tools. Let me see if I can find that. So the Federal Reserve System was established where I used to work in 1913 or 14. And what they did was they were trying to control economic growth and spending levels. And what the Fed did, they have three main tools: discount rate, required reserve ratio, and open market operations. And what they do with those policies is they try to create stability in our economy. And the way they create stability is through the changing of these three policies. So what you want to look at in the question is, do you want to use contractionary policies or do you want to use expansionary policies in the decisions of in what our economy is doing right now? So evaluate our economy and explain which policy you would use and why. And that's what you're focused on. Make sure to have your first post by Thursday night. You make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference and 2 peer responses as well. But I look forward to your effort.